આજે નારાયણ હૃદયાલયની શાખાના ઉદ્ઘાટન પ્રસંગે મારે સહયોગી ડૉક્ટર દેવી શેટ્ટી અને મને અત્યંત આનંદ અને અત્યંત ગર્વ થાય છે. અને આજે હું ગુજરાતની પુત્રી થઈને મને અત્યંત આનંદ અને અત્યંત ગર્વ થાય છે કે આજે નારાયણ હૃદયાલય અમદાવાદ શહેરમાં આજે સ્થાપિત થાય છે. મને આશા છે કે આ હોસ્પિટલને લીધે અમદાવાદવાસીઓ અને ગુજરાતના વાસીઓને ઘણો લાભ થશે. અમારા દેશમાં આજે એક મોટી ચેલેન્જ છે. અફોર્ડેબલ હેલ્થ કેર is a dream for this country. And as Dr. Devi Shetty mentioned, we are trying to make a difference to make sure that every citizen in our country can access healthcare in an affordable way. Caring with compassion is Narayan Hrudayalay's byline. And what we want to do is to be able to create a healthcare model that can deliver affordable healthcare to every patient in our country that needs it. Our partnership is very special because when you look at healthcare, especially hospitalization, half the cost of healthcare in a hospital setting is the hospital care, and half of it is the cost of drugs. And as someone who is in the field of biopharmaceuticals, I'm driven by this mission of affordable healthcare and affordable drugs. And driving this passion is of course about affordable drug innovation. Together we can make a difference, but we can't do it alone. The government has to play an enabling role. And it is through this private-public partnership model that we can build a very effective, a very affordable, and a very accessible healthcare system that will make a difference to every single citizen in this country who needs healthcare. Modi Sahib is a visionary, a man who has seen the future, a man who is building a country by creating an exemplary model in Gujarat. Modi Sahib has had a great amount of experience and a great amount of wisdom to know what's good for the various challenges that face our country. In my own interaction with Modi Sahib, I have realized that he has a very deep understanding of what needs to be done. And what is happening in Gujarat is this enlightened wisdom that is being implemented in terms of policies and in terms of various institutional building, which is really making a huge difference to people in this part of the country. And what we at Narayan Hrudyalaya are very keen on doing is to make sure that we build on this vision and we make sure that Gujarat becomes the first state to provide quality, affordable health care for all. So with that, I would just like to express our deep appreciation to the government of Gujarat and to the very visionary Chief Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji for giving us this opportunity of building Narayan Hrudyalaya in Ahmedabad and making sure that we deliver on our dream of affordable health care for all. Thank you.